Welcome dear students. I hope you all are fine. So today's session Bridge Course 7. So I will explain with you today's topic planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun in a particular path called the orbit. The orbit is a elliptical or oval in shape. The orbit is, which shape is there here orbit? It is oval in shape. Okay. So they do not have their own light and heat. Planets do not have their own light and heat. Each planet takes a different length of time to revolve once. There are 8 planets in our solar system. See here, first one, Mercury. It is a Mercury planet. Mercury is the smallest and nearest planet to Sun. Its diameter is 4,850 kilometers. Its mass is 6% of Earth's mass. It takes the time. It revolves around the Sun. It has taken the time 88 days. It is 58 million kilometers far from the Sun. See in this picture, Sun and planet Mercury. Some distance between Sun and planet Mercury, 58 million kilometers is there. Its surface has many holes. Its surface has many holes and hills beside plane lined. Second planet, Venus. Venus is the second nearest planet from Sun and nearest planet from Earth. It is 108 million kilometers far from Sun and 43 million far from Earth. Here distance between Sun and planet Venus. It is how much distance is there? 108 million kilometers. And planet Earth and planet Venus, some in between, some 43 million distance is there. It's a far from Earth that. It is also known as evening star and morning star. It takes the time 225 days. It has the taking the time revolve around the Sun. Also navigate the Sun. It has its own atmosphere. Means the Venus planet also has the atmosphere. It has own atmosphere is there like Earth. But it has no oxygen in atmosphere and it contains 96% carbon dioxide and 4% sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide and other toxic gases are present in the atmosphere planet Venus. Its air pressure is 90 times more heavier than Earth. Its rotating speed is very slow. A year of Venus contains only 2 days and 2 nights. Third planet, Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet from Sun. Its area is about 510,422 square kilometer. Its diameter is nearly 12,750 kilometer. It takes the time revolving around the Sun, taking the time that 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 47 seconds to navigate the Sun. It has atmosphere. The Earth has atmosphere. It consists with 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. It has liquid water on its surface, underground and center, which is most important for life. So water is a very precious. Water is also natural resource we get from naturally. So it is also very important for our life. Its average temperature is 13.90 degrees Celsius. The Earth's temperature is 13.90 degrees Celsius. It is the only planet in the solar system where life can exist. In 8 planets, only one planet is there, the Earth planet, the life can exist here. It is the only ideal planet for life. It has only one natural satellite, that is called Moon. Moon is a natural satellite. The Moon, it is nearly 380,000 kilometers far from the Earth. Next planet is Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from Sun. Its distance is about 228 million kilometers from Sun. See here, in Sun and planet Mars, some distance is there, means some difference is there, distance is there. How much distance here? 228 million kilometer. It is the distance from Sun, and 78 million kilometer from Earth. Its diameter is 6,787 kilometer, and mass is 10% of Earth's mass. It takes the time to revolve around the Sun 687 days, 24 hours and 37 minutes to rotate the, it rotates the revolve around the Sun. It has 2 satellites. The Mars has 2 satellites that name Phobos and Deimos. It has a light atmosphere consisting with 3% of nitrogen, 2% of argon and other gases. The Mars has atmosphere, light atmosphere. In Mars atmosphere, some light atmosphere, it consists of 3% of nitrogen, 2% of argon and other gases also present in the atmosphere. It has hills and volcanoes on its surface. Even it has the tallest hill. In Mars planet has the hills. That is the tallest hill, 27 kilometer height of the solar system. It is a very cold planet. The Mars is the very cold planet. Cold planet. And its temperature is less than freezing point. Its surface is full of rust, so that its color is reddish. So this planet is called red planet. The Mars planet is called that red planet. So our Earth, it is a 3rd planet. So the Earth planet is called that blue planet, and here Mars planet is called the red planet because the Mars planet surface is full of rust. Its color is a reddish. So this planet is called that red planet. So next 5th planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from Sun. It is the biggest planet of solar system. Even it is 1300 times more than bigger than Earth. It is more bigger than Earth. Its diameter is about 142,800 kilometer. It is 778 million kilometer far from the Sun. The Jupiter planet and the Sun, in between some distance is there. How much distance is there here? 778 million kilometer. It takes revolve around the Sun. It has taking the time here 12 years, 9 hours and 53 minutes. It is very cold planet. Jupiter is also cold planet. It is a gas giant. Its surface isn't solid like Earth. It has 63 satellites and some ring outside of the planet. It has 63 satellites. It has been covered that, outside covered that ring. Okay, some ring outside of the planet. The major satellites are Europa, Io, Ganymede, Callisto and other. These are the major satellite of the Jupiter. So next sixth number planet is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from Sun. It is 1.43 billion kilometer far from the Sun. See here, some distance between planet Saturn and the Sun, 1.43 billion kilometer is there. It is the second largest planet of solar system and has 764 times more volume than Earth. It takes the time navigate the Sun, revolve around the Sun. It has taken the time, the planet Saturn, 29 years, 5 months, 10 hours, 40 minutes. It is also a gas giant like Jupiter. Its atmosphere contains with hydrogen, helium, methane, ammonia, etc. It has 60 satellites and 5 massive rings like Jupiter but bigger than Jupiter's. Major satellites are Enceladus, Titan, Diano, Mimas, Theota, Thetis, Rhea, Hyperion and others. So next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from Sun. It is 2.87 billion kilometer far from Sun. It takes 84 years to navigate the Sun. It revolving around the Sun, Uranus planet. So revolving around the Sun, it has taken the time 84 years. It is the third largest planet of solar system and it has 64 times more volume than Earth. It is very cold planet. Its surface average temperature is minus 216 degrees Celsius. Its atmosphere consists with a huge amount of methane. It has 27 satellites and some ring like Saturn but smaller. Miranda, Ariel, Oberon, Titania, Umbriel, Puck, etc. are major satellites. Last planet, eighth planet is a Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from Sun. It is 4.5 billion kilometer far from Sun. Its diameter is about 48,400 kilometer and it is 3.9 times bigger and 17 times heavier than Earth. For its distance to Sun, it is a very cold planet. Its temperature is about minus 300 degrees Celsius. It takes revolve around the Sun. It has taken the time to revolve around the Sun 165 years. It has 13 satellites such as Triton, Nereid, Proteus, Larissa. So I hope you all are today's class understood. So you make the points. So you read daily that points. So next session I am continuing in next class. Thank you.